have completed chapter number 3, part 2, exercise 3.2. Today we are going to start with part 3, exercise 3.3. So let's begin. So students, before moving to exercise 3.3, let us discuss what is divisibility test and what are divisibility rules and tests, so that exercise becomes easy for you as it is based on divisibility rules. A divisibility test is a rule for determining whether one whole number is divisible by another. It is a quick way to find factors of large number. So now divisibility rules and test. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit in the ones place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 318. So number at ones place we have here 8, and this is an even number and therefore divisible by 2. Next we have divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Example 375. So let us find out the sum. Sum is 3 plus 7 plus 5. It is divisible by 3 since its sum is 15 and 15 is divisible by 3. Next, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number's last two digits are divisible by 4. Example 9312. If you divide 12 by 4, so its last two digits 12 is divisible by 4. Next, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the number at last digit is 0 or 5. Example, if we write here 45, so number at last digit we have 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Next, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is even and if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Example 114. So first it is even. 114 is even. Second, the sum of its digit 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 6 is divisible by 3. So we can say that 114 is divisible by 2 and by 3. So yes, it is divisible by 6. Next, divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number's last three digits are divisible by 8. Example 24344. It is divisible by 8 since its last three digits are 344 and 344 is divisible by 8. Next, divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9. Example 4518. So if we add 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8, that is equal to 18, which is divisible by 9. So 4518 is divisible by 9. Next, divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit in its ones place is 0. Example 190. So last digit is 0. That's all that is needed for a number to be divisible by 10. Last digit should be 0. Next, divisibility by 11. If the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of the digits in the even places difference is a multiple of 11 or 0, then we can say it is divisible by 11. Example 10813. So first step is write their places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next step, sum of odd places. So the digits written in odd places are 1 plus 8 plus 3, that is equal to 12. Second step, sum of even places. So the digits written in even places are 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Now difference of odd place and even place, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So 10813 is divisible by 11. So now let us start with exercise 3.3. Open a Maths NCERT book, page number 57. Question number 1. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Say yes or no. In your books, you can see the divisibility test chart is given, where the numbers are written and we have to write whether it is yes or no. First part is already done. Let us start with second part. The number given here is 990. So let us check whether 990 is divisible by 2 or not. So students, for checking divisibility by 2, at ones place the number should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So here at ones place we have number as 0. So yes, it is divisible by 2. आपके ones place में ये number होंगे, so it is divisible by 2. Next we have by 3. For checking divisibility by 3, you have to find out the sum of the given numbers. So number is 9 plus 9 plus 0, that is 18. क्या 3 के टेबल में 18 आता है? Yes. So here this number is divisible by 3. Right here? Yes. Now divisibility by 4. For finding out divisibility by 4, we will be taking last two digits. So last two digits are here 9090. So divide 90 by 4. So let us divide 90 by 4. 4 twos are 8 and 10. 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 2. So we have here remainder, so it is not divisible by 4. So right here, no. Now divisibility by 5. At ones place, if you have the number 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. So at ones place we have here 0. So yes, it is divisible by 5. So right here, yes. Now divisibility by 6. If a given number is divisible by 2 and 3, so yes, it is also divisible by 6. So right here, yes. Or you can say find out the sum. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 0, 8. क्या 6 के टेबल में 18 आता है? Yes, so it is divisible. Now divisibility by 8. For finding out divisibility by 8, we take last 3 digits. As the given number is of 3 digits, we will divide it by 8. So find out 990 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 19. 8 twos are 16 and 30. 8 threes are 24. So we have here again remainder left. So it is not divisible by 8. Right here? No. Now divisibility by 9. You have to find out sum of the given digits. Sum is 18. क्या 9 के टेबल में 18 आता है? Yes. So it is divisible by 9. Now divisibility by 10. If at ones place you have 0. So at ones place we have 0. Yes. So it is divisible by 10. So right here, yes. Now finding out divisibility by 11. First step is write the given digits. So write the given digits 9, 9, 0. Write their places at top 1, 2, 3. First step is sum of odd places. Find out the sum of odd places. Means वो number जो odd places में है इनका sum निकालिए. Second step is sum of even places. Even places is 9. Then find out the difference. उसको subtract करो. If your difference is 0 or the given number is divisible by 11, वो number 11 के table में आता है. So yes, it is divisible by 11. So let us find out. Sum of odd places means 9 plus 0. That is 9. Sum of even place we have 9. Now find out the difference. 9 minus 9 is 0. So as I said, if the result is 0 or the number is divisible by 11, it is divisible by 11. So right here, yes. So 990 is divisible by 11. Question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. A part 572. So we have to find out divisibility by 4. Let us take last two digits. So last two digits are 72. So divide 72 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Then 32. 4 8s are 32. So remainder is 0. So if we have remainder 0, it means it is divisible by 4. So now next, divisibility by 8. For checking divisibility by 8, we take last 3 digits. But here number is of 3 digits. So it is 572 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 12. 8 ones are 8. So we have remainder left. So it is not divisible by 8. B part 726352. Let us take last two digits for checking divisibility by 4. Number is 52. 4 ones are 4 and 12. 4 threes are 12. Remainder is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 8, take last 3 digits, 352. 352 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32, then 32. 8 fours are 32, remainder is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 8. C part 5500. So we have to take last two digits. So last two digits are 0. So 4 zeros are 0. So yes, it is divisible by 4. Now let us check divisibility by 8. Take last 3 digits, that is 500. So divide here 500 by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 6s are 48. And 20. 8 2s are 16. So we have remainder left. So it is not divisible by 8. D bar 6000. So last two digits are 0 0. So it will be divisible by 4. So yes, it is divisible by 4. And for divisibility by 8, last three digits are 0 0 0. So it will also be divisible by 8. Now next, 12159. So let us take last two digits for checking divisibility by 4. Divide here 59 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 19. 4 fours are 16. Then 3. Remainder we have here 3. So no, it is not divisible by 4. Now divisibility by 8, take last 3 digits, that is 159. So divide 159 by 8. 8 ones are 8. It will be 79. 8 times are 72. Remainder we have 7. So it is not divisible by 8. Next part 14560. Last two digits are 60. So divide here 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4. Then 2 0. 4 fives are 20. As remainder is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 4. Now find out divisibility by 8. Last three digits are 560. So 560 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56 and then 0. So yes, it is divisible by 8. So students, G to J part will be a homework. You have to check divisibility of 4 and 8 in the same way as I explained. For checking divisibility of 4, take last two digits, divide. If remainder is 0, so you will say yes, it is divisible by 4. For checking divisibility of 8, take last three digits. If you divide, remainder is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 8. Question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. A part 297144. So students, for finding out divisibility by 6, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is also divisible by 6. So first we have to find out divisibility by 2. So for finding out divisibility by 2, what we want, at ones place the number should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So at ones place we have number 4. So yes, it is divisible by 2. For finding out divisibility by 3, we have to find out sum of the given digits. So let us find out the sum. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Then 19 plus 8, that is 27. क्या 3 के टेबल में 27 आता है? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. So as I said earlier, if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so yes, it is also divisible by 6. So right here, yes. Now B part 1, 2, 5, 8. So last digit we will see, that is 8. Ones place you have 8. So if you have 8 at ones place, so yes, it is divisible by 2. For checking divisibility by 3, let us add. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So क्या 3 के टेबल में 16 आता है? No. So it is not divisible by 3. So if it is not divisible by 3, it won't be divisible by 6. So right here, no. Now next part, 4, 3, 3, 5. So at ones place we have here 5. But what number should be there? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is not divisible by 2. So let us find divisibility by 3. So add them 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 10. 10 plus 5 15. क्या 3 के टेबल में 15 आता है? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. So if it is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6. D part 6, 1, 2, 3, 3. So let us check divisibility by 2. So at ones place number is 3. As I said, it should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So it is not divisible by 2. For finding out divisibility by 3, let us add. So 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. क्या 3 के टेबल में 15 आता है? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. So if it is divisible by 3 and not divisible by 2, so it will not be divisible by 6. Right here, no. Now next part, 901352. So at ones place we have here 2. So yes, it is divisible by 2. So divisibility by 3, let us add 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. क्या 3 के टेबल में 20 आता है? No. So it is not divisible by 3. So it will also be not divisible by 6. Now next part, 438750. So at ones place we have here 0. So yes, it is divisible by 2. So for finding out divisibility by 3, let us add 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0. So add 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5 plus 8. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 8, that is 27. Does 27 comes in 3 table? Yes. So it is divisible by 3. So if this number is divisible by 2 and 3, it will also be divisible by 6. So right here, yes. So students, remaining parts will be a homework. You have to find out divisibility by 6 in the same way. First you will find out divisibility by 2, then 3. If they are divisible by both, so yes, they will also be divisible by 6. Question number 4, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. A part 5445. So students, as I explained you earlier, for finding out divisibility by 11, first step is you have to write down their places. So places are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next step is sum of odd places. Odd places are 1 and 3 and the number given here is 5 and 4. So add them, 5 plus 4, that is 9. Now sum of even places, 4 plus 5. So write here 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now next step is we have to find out difference. Difference of sum of odd places and even places. So 9 minus 9, that is 0. So as I explained you, if your difference is 0 or number is multiple of 11, so yes, it is divisible by 11. Now B bar 10824. So let us write down their places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next step, sum of odd places. Odd places are 1, 8 and 4. Let us add 1, 8 and 4. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Now sum of even places. Even are 0 and 2. So add here 0 plus 2. That is 2. Find out the difference. 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. So yes, it is divisible by 11. C bar 7138965. So write the places here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sum of odd places. Odd places will be 7, 3, 9, 5. 7, 3, 9, 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 5, that is 24. Now sum of even places. Even places are 1 plus 8 plus 6. So add 1 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Find out the difference. 24 minus 15. That is 9. So it is not divisible by 11. Question number 5. Write the smallest digit and greatest digit in the blank of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. A bar dash 6724. So students, as I told you earlier, how to find out divisibility by 3? You have to find out sum of the given digits. So let us find out the sum here. 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So is 19 divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible. So to find out smallest and greatest digit number, you will write more numbers which are divisible by 3. But those numbers should be greater than 19. So the numbers are 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and so on. आप 19 के साथ क्या ऐड करेंगे? You will get 21 plus 2. You will add plus 2 with 19 to get 21. What number you will add here to get 24? Plus 5. What number you will add here? Plus 8. So what number you will add here? Plus 11 and so on. So students, which is the smallest number here? 2. And the greatest number here is 8. We want here one digit number. So let us write the answer. Smallest number formed is dash is 2, 6, 7, 2, 4. And greatest number which we have formed here, that is 8, 6, 7, 2, 4. If you add these numbers, you will get the number which is divisible by 3. B bar 4765-2. Let us find out their sum. So sum will be 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. So is 24 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 8s are 24. It is divisible by 3. So the smallest number will be here 0. Let us write the answer first. Smallest number, that is 476502. Now we have to find out greatest number. Let us write numbers after 24. So after 24 comes 27, 30, 33, 36, 39 and so on. So आप क्या number add करेंगे 24 के साथ to get 27? Plus 3. So right here plus 3 and here plus 6 and it will be plus 9 and so on. So the greatest number we got here is 9. 9 is the greatest number. So let us write here greatest number is equal to 47659. If you add these numbers, you will get number which is divisible by 3. Question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. So here we have to write a number in the blank space so that the number which is formed, it should be divisible by 11. A bar 92-389. So as I explained earlier, how to find out divisibility by 11? First step is to write their places. So the places I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So second step, sum of odd places. Odd places, so here in place of dash I am taking as x. Let the number be x here. So sum of odd places 9 plus x plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17 plus x. Now sum of even places. Even places will be 2 plus 3 plus 9. 2 plus 3 plus 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So now next step is to find out the difference. So right here, difference 17 plus x minus 14. As this number is greater, is equal to 11. Why I am writing here 11? Because we have to make divisible by 11. So let us find out the value of x. 17 minus 14, 3 plus x is equal to 11. X is equal to, so this 3 will go this side. 11 minus 3. यहाँ पर आपका 3 plus है, it will go towards right, it will be minus. So 11 minus 3 is 8. So we got the answer. The answer is 92838 If you check them, it will be divisible by 11. B bar 8-9484. So write their places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let the number be x. Sum of odd places. Odd places will be 8 plus 9 plus 8. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. So now sum of even places. Even places are x plus 4 plus 4. So right here x plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus x. Now find out the difference. Difference is equal to 20 minus 8 plus x is equal to 11. So let's look this step very carefully. It is very important how we have to do. 25 minus 8. Now I am opening the brackets, so sign will be changed. Plus minus will be minus x is equal to 11. Left hand side this is your right hand side. 25 minus 8, 17 minus x is equal to 11. So now this 17 will go towards right. So right here minus x is equal to 11 minus 17. So if you are subtracting smaller number than greater number, sign will be of minus. जिस number पे minus sign है, that is a greater number. Greater number पे minus sign है, so answer will be in minus. So it will be 17 minus 11, 6. So minus minus cancel, value of x is 6. Write the answer 8, 6, 9, 4, 8, 4. If you check, it will be divisible by 11. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood Guri ma'am's class. So chapter number 3, exercise 3.3 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. Now in next class, we'll start with exercise 3.4. Stay connected, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.